Hola, buenos dias. I'm Dominique Vibez and welcome to my channel. I hope you're having a fabulous day. Today I'm going to be reviewing a hotel actually in Mallorca, Spain. Alright, so let's go, let's check it out. Okay, so you walk in the door. When you got your key card, you just tap and enter. We got this for light control. Got a nice bathroom, got the bidet, the toilet, and the shower. Ooh. Oh, looks good, just checked in. And then we move into the living room area. Got a lovely table with chairs, a couch, a TV. Moving into the kitchen. Okay, we got the microwave, the mini fridge, coffee pot, kettle, water boiler, got some bowls, plates, cups, a little stove top. Oh, yep, that's for the stove. Ooh, cutting board, toaster, pots and pans, all of the necessities here. All the necessities. And of course, the utensils. And then here we also have some storage space.
Excuse me, some of us are trying to sleep, please. Thank you.
Okay. So, let's move on to the bedroom now. Okay, this is the bedroom. 2 single beds. Got a nice mirror closet right here. Hangers, got space. And on the other side, the safe, very important for your passports. Extra blankets, side tables, the telly. Oh, got some beautiful artwork here. And let's see what this view looks like. But actually, let's go to the balcony so you can really see the view. To the balcony. Balcony area. Pool, hot tub. And there's even a children area, mini beach here. But look at this view. I am here para celebrar mis amigos, feliz cumpleaños, my amigo's birthday. We're here to celebrate in Mallorca, Spain. So that is a quick little rundown of the hotel for the weekend. As soon as we got here, we arrived to the airport, and the airport is maybe a 20-minute drive from here. Had some breakfast. We had an early flight, had some breakfast, you know, sat in the port looking at some boats and ships, some barcos. And then of course the weekend trip, I had to go to the club. I had to go to the social club, and I had to get some goodies. So we did that, and then we came and checked into the beautiful hotel. Damn, I don't remember the name of the club.
Something Medusa.
Medusa 23! So the club I went to was Medusa 23 to get on my lovely goodies. They're really nice, speak many languages, of course, and it was good. Good prices, good products, good flour, edibles, hash, chill vibe. And then we came to the beach and checked in. And now we're just gonna enjoy for the weekend. Thank you for joining me on today's hotel tour. Maybe you will come and visit Mallorca, Spain. The vibes here are already great. They're majestic. I hope you have a good rest of your day. Peace, love, good vibes, and I'll see you on the next adventure. Hasta luego.